If you work with electricity, whether you're a professional electrician or a serious DIYer, you know how important a reliable clamp meter is. Today we're reviewing the Fluke 378FC AC/DC TRMS non-contact clamp meter, a high-end tool packed with advanced features like non-contact voltage measurement, power quality indicators, and wireless connectivity. But with a premium price tag, is it actually worth it? Let's find out. Right out of the box, the Fluke 378FC feels like a professional-grade tool. It has a rugged, durable build that's designed to handle tough job site conditions. The grip is comfortable, and the clamp mechanism is smooth and solid. The display is bright and easy to read, even in low-light environments. Overall, this is exactly what you'd expect from a brand known for reliability, solid, dependable, and built to last. One of the standout features is Fluke's FieldSense technology, which allows you to measure voltage and current without making direct contact with live wires. This is a huge safety advantage, especially when working in complex panels or tight spaces. You simply place the clamp around the conductor and get accurate readings without test leads. It's faster, safer, and incredibly convenient. The 378FC offers True RMS, TRMS, measurements, which means you get accurate readings even with nonlinear loads like modern electronics and variable speed drives. Whether you're measuring AC or DC current, voltage, or resistance, the accuracy is excellent. This makes it suitable for both residential and industrial applications. Another advanced feature is the power quality indicator, which helps detect issues related to voltage, current, and frequency. This is especially useful for troubleshooting electrical problems quickly. Instead of guessing what's wrong, the meter gives you a clear indication if there's a power quality issue, saving time and effort. The included iFlex flexible current probe is a game changer. It allows you to measure current in tight or hard-to-reach spaces where a standard clamp won't fit. This adds a lot of flexibility to your workflow, especially in crowded panels or industrial setups. The 378FC also features wireless connectivity with the Fluke Connect app. You can view readings on your smartphone, log data, and even share results with your team. This is perfect for professionals who need to document measurements or collaborate on projects. It adds a modern, smart tool experience to your workflow. Despite all these advanced features, the meter is very user-friendly. The interface is intuitive, and switching between functions is quick and easy. Even if you're upgrading from a basic clamp meter, you'll find it easy to get used to. It's designed to save time, reduce effort, and improve safety. In real-world use, the Fluke 378FC is perfect for electricians, HVAC technicians, maintenance professionals, and industrial users. It helps you diagnose problems faster, work more safely, and handle complex electrical systems with confidence. For DIY users, it might be overkill, but for professionals, it's a powerful investment. Overall, the Fluke 378FC is one of the most advanced and reliable clamp meters you can buy. It combines safety, accuracy, and smart features into one powerful tool. If you're a professional who needs precision, efficiency, and modern features, this is absolutely worth the investment. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Would you upgrade to a smart clamp meter like this?